Eh, it's still a quality steak. It was pasture raised the majority of its life, and it's treated with like a lot of care, more care than maybe not for the best reasons, but it's still pretty good. I'll do more research on the brand specifically and see if I can dig up any dirt. Yeah, and it's on in Australia. I would not even like American Wagyu. I would never eat anything American unless it's from a safe farm. I mean, I forgive myself, but you know what? I'm gonna worry about this meat. Okay. How sweet. How sweet of them that they're gonna take care of that for me. Like, can you believe it? Truly the best ever.